Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I am going to how to resolve the unexpected store exceptional issue on Windows 10 and 11 version. Okay, this is the blue screen. So how you can resolve this issue easily? First, go to CMD here, then click on CMD, then search CMD on the search bar. Right click on it, run as administrator. Click on yes option when the prompt opens. Now this command will repair all the corruption inside your Windows. Error mainly occurs the corruption inside your Windows file. Okay, this command will repair all those. SFC space slash scan now. SFC stands for System File Checker, which will scan all the corrupted file inside your Windows and repair those. You need to wait for the process to complete. It will take 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. Minimize this option and also apply this method as well. Type for edit power plan. Okay, you will see the edit power plan option here. Click on this option. Now you need to click here power options. Okay, once you click on power option, select your recommended plans or whatever plans you have selected. Okay, click on here, then choose what power button does. Click on this option. Now click on this option, change settings that are currently unavailable. Okay, and uncheck this option. Since I have already unchecked this option, uncheck this option, turn on fast startup recommended. Uncheck this option, then click on save changes. Okay. Now in the third method, you should also check that you are using the latest Windows. Click on check for update. Okay, then update security. Click on check for update and update all the optional update on your Windows 10 and restart your system after that. Okay, restart your system once all the update is done. In the fourth method, I will show you the command by which you can repair your corrupted hard drive issue. Right click on it, run as administrator. Type this command chkdsk space slash f space c and then colon, this one, hit enter. Okay, now type y here and then this process will go and repair all the bad sector inside your hard drive and repair after the restart. Okay, one more thing you should also try, you should update the driver for display. Click on device manager. Okay, update the display driver. Make sure you are using the latest updated driver. Once you click on this option, click on this option display adapter. Right click on the driver, click on update driver. Okay, search automatically. Make sure you are connected with network and close this option. Your issue should be fixed. Okay, so hope your issue is resolved now. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.